Ever felt that overwhelming dread staring at a blank page, knowing you need to craft a resume that screams, "Hire me," but having absolutely no idea where to even begin? Or maybe you've spent hours perfecting your resume, only to have it vanish into the black hole of online applications, never to be seen by human eyes? If you've nodded along to either of those scenarios, you're in good company. The job market is more competitive than ever, and a compelling resume isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a non-negotiable. But what if there was a tool that could take the guesswork, the endless formatting struggles, and the sheer frustration out of resume building? A tool that not only makes your resume look professional, but also helps it get past those pesky applicant tracking systems, or ATS, that most companies now use? Well, that's where Kickresume steps in. It's not just another online resume builder. It's an all-in-one career toolbox designed to streamline your job search from start to finish. Think of it as your personal resume guru, cover letter coach, and even a stepping stone to building your online professional presence. All powered by some pretty smart AI. So, how exactly does Kickresume work its magic? Let's break it down, step by logical step, and see how it transforms the daunting task of resume creation into something genuinely manageable, and dare I say, even enjoyable. At its core, Kickresume simplifies the entire process. You don't need to be a design expert or a wordsmith to create a stellar resume. The platform guides you through each section, offering prompts, suggestions, and even pre-written phrases to help you articulate your experience and skills effectively. When you first dive into Kickresume, you'll typically be presented with a few options to get started. You can either begin with a fresh, blank canvas, choosing from their extensive library of professionally designed templates, or if you already have some information scattered around, perhaps on your LinkedIn profile, you can import that data directly. This is a massive time saver, preventing you from retyping everything from scratch. Just connect your LinkedIn and watch as Kickresume intelligently pulls in your work history, education, and skills, instantly populating your new resume. Once your basic information is in, the real power of Kickresume begins to shine through, particularly with its AI capabilities. This isn't just about pretty templates. It's about smart content generation. For each section of your resume, whether it's your professional summary, work experience, education, or skills, Kickresume offers AI-powered assistance. Feeling stuck on how to describe a past responsibility or an achievement? Simply click the AI Writer button, and based on your job title and industry, it can generate relevant and impactful bullet points. It's like having a professional resume writer on demand, helping you craft compelling narratives that resonate with hiring managers. And the best part? If you don't love the first suggestion, you can regenerate it or tweak it to perfectly fit your unique experience. This feature is a game changer, especially for those suffering from writer's block or who aren't sure how to quantify their accomplishments. Beyond the AI writing, customization is a huge part of the Kickresume experience. You're not just picking a template and being stuck with it. Every element is highly customizable. Want to change the font style, size, or color? Go for it. Need to adjust the page layout or section arrangement? Absolutely. You can even fine-tune line spacing and alignment to ensure your resume looks exactly how you envision it. This level of control means your resume won't just look good, it will look unique and reflect your personal brand, while still maintaining a professional and polished appearance. Now, let's talk about the applicant tracking system, or ATS, because this is where many manually created resumes falter. ATS are software programs that scan resumes for keywords and specific formatting before a human ever lays eyes on them. If your resume isn't optimized for ATS, it could be rejected before you even get a chance. Kickresume understands this crucial hurdle. Their templates are designed to be ATS-friendly, ensuring that your valuable information is parsed correctly by these systems. Furthermore, Kickresume often incorporates features like keyword optimization, helping you identify and include relevant terms from job descriptions to increase your chances of passing the initial screening. Some versions even offer an ATS resume checker that gives you instant feedback on how well your resume is optimized for these systems, providing suggestions for improvement. But a resume is often just one piece of the application puzzle. Many jobs also require a compelling cover letter. And guess what? Kickresume has you covered there too. Their cover letter builder works hand in hand with the resume builder. You can choose a matching template to maintain a consistent professional brand, and the AI cover letter generator can even draft a personalized cover letter based on the job description you provide. No more starting from scratch, desperately trying to tailor each letter to a new role. The AI can analyze the job posting and your resume, then generate a relevant and engaging draft, saving you hours of effort. What about taking your professional presence beyond just documents? Kickresume also offers a personal website builder. With just a few clicks, you can transform your newly created resume into a sleek online portfolio. This is incredibly valuable, especially for creative professionals or anyone who wants a more dynamic way to showcase their work, testimonials, or projects. You get a unique public link that you can share with potential employers, allowing them to easily access your resume and any additional materials you choose to include. The platform also provides a wealth of resources beyond the builders themselves. You'll find a career center packed with industry-specific resume examples, guiding you on what to include and how to phrase it. There are often people who got hired sections, showcasing real-world resumes that successfully landed jobs, providing tangible inspiration. Plus, they offer step-by-step writing guides and formatting tips to continually educate and empower job seekers. Kickresume isn't entirely free, though it does offer a generous free plan that gives you access to a selection of basic templates and features, allowing you to create and download a professional resume. For more advanced features, a wider array of templates, full AI capabilities, and the personal website builder, they offer premium subscription plans. These are typically structured monthly, quarterly, or annually, with discounts for longer commitments. They often provide features like unlimited resumes and cover letters, more design options, and priority support. And for students and teachers, there are often special discounts available, making these powerful tools even more accessible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.